Hello. We just finished watching The Incredibles 2 in the Buena Vista Theatre. It is a little smaller than the Walt Disney Theatre,
yeah,
which is where Mary Poppins was playing. But we are going back to this room.
Such a great movie.
It was good.
Such a great movie.
Yeah, it was good. I was not surprised.
Yeah.
I knew I loved the first one, so I knew I was gonna love the second one. But. So we're gonna go back to the room, drop some things off, and then go to dinner.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tonight we're having dinner in Triton's.
Ooh, fried brie.
Fried brie. This is what Alyssa has been waiting for.
I'm excited. The brie. I'm excited for the brie. So we noticed that there's some things in our bag, so we're going to just bring the whole thing in because it'll be easier. Oh, looky, little dinosaur. Down so I can talk to you guys and show you what we have. I'm freezing right now. It's a little cold in here. Okay, let's see what we have. What is this? 2 room 1068 from 6323. First of all, these look like shirts.
Oh, yeah.
Can you hold this while I open this?
Yeah.
This is adorable. This little Dumbo magnet. So we're gonna put that on our door, thank you. Wish on a starfish antibacterial hand gel. Super cute. Look at this. There's a mermaid on it. How adorable. Hello. Look at this tank.
Is that for me?
Yes, this is for you.
Yeah, small, tiny, without sleeves. That's how I like it.
Look at the sides. Look how cute this is.
That's a really cool shirt. Did they make it themselves? No. I said, man,
No,
that's really cool.
Look what
Oh, snap, yeah.
Look at this.
Yes, it's like they know me.
This one's for me.
It's like they knew I was gonna come back a size large.
No, I'm sure that'll fit just fine.
Yeah.
And we hope you have it. Oh, how fitting! We hope you have an incredible cruise.
Clever.
Very cool clues. Very clever.
Honey, very incredible.
First of all, look at this.
Griffin. What's that? Is that a lanyard?
It looks like a little key ring here.
Oh, snap! That's it, because I need a lanyard.
Let me open this. This is from the Byler family. Oh, that's cute.
Nice.
It has Wonder on it, and look at this.
Good fellow.
Target! Adorable little key ring.
There you go.
With our name on it and little Mickey things.
I think it's about time I switch mine up. I have that one towing company. Super One Towing.
Well, fruit snacks made by me. What's this fruit snacks? And a glow ball. What? That sounds fun. Looks like a glow stick, but in ball form.
Can't wait to turn that off and play with it tonight.
Or wait for Pirate Night, which is tomorrow.
Why would we wait for Pirate Night?
Because everybody dresses up and
lasts
for hours. Thank you guys. That's so fun. I love these gifts. Thank you. We still have 30 minutes. Never mind.
Cool.
I love these.
Now, I'm probably going to cut this part of the vlog out because, I don't know, but Virgin just sent us an email and they have invited us officially to do a float out in Milan or Genoa to Milan. And
we're not going to Milan.
I'm so...
We're flying into Milan.
We're flying into Milan, and it's floating around Genoa?
Yeah, so we're going to cut all this out.
Because I'm going to cut it out, but I just don't want the memory because I'm so excited.
No, I'm excited too.
I have to talk about it.
I know. So we will talk about it, and we will redo this whole clip.
Yeah, we're going to redo this whole clip. So now it's just one long blooper. But Alyssa's excited. I'm excited because...
we're going to Italy.
We're going to Italy. At least maybe. So one of us is going. Definitely her. Definitely her. I gotta make sure I can get off. We're going to freaking Italy. This is insane. What?
Look at this beautiful mural. I love it. We are the first ones at our table, so we decided to sit across from each other tonight and stare into each other's eyes very romantically while we eat fried brie and escargot. So I'm very excited. Can't wait to show you guys the menu and then eat, because I'm hungry. We didn't really eat a lot today.
This was made by 5 Italian women from Venice. It took them almost 4 months, I believe, to finish this mosaic. And this is made of more than 60,000 glasses. Small glasses. And you can see, if you are right close, you can see this glass. Very smoothly crafted.
Wow. All right, this beautiful menu from Triton's. All right, so then appetizers. I already know I'm getting the fried brie. For everyone who's upset about the escargot shortage, Disney still has them. And they look beautiful. I'm assuming you ordered some too.
I did.
What?
I got 2 little baby potatoes on top.
Yeah, that's cute. It's not focusing. Okay. So I just had the fried brie, absolutely delicious. If you've never had it, you need to have it. I'm kind of full, and I don't know how I'm gonna eat this, but it smells really good.
Some bunnies.
Time for dessert.
Try the souffle. It's one of the classic French desserts, the souffle.
We have the Grand Marnier souffle. You see the creme brulee on there. I'll probably get okay. I got the signature dessert. It is a classic opera gâteau, and there's little fancy gold flakes all over it. Look at this.
Oh, pleasure.
It's fancy.
Yeah. And a creme brulee.
And of course,
Enjoy.
what did you get? The creme brulee.
I got the creme brulee.
So move only one crayon to make a square.
A square?
Yeah, you just have to move or reposition one crayon.
To make a square.
Make a square, yes.
Do you leave us a couple of minutes?
I figured it out.
I can give you a couple.
Oh, I know. Can I just remove and draw a square?
No, you just have to reposition. Just
I got
move.
it.
Have you been on the magic?
No, that one just looked really easy. Is that it?
Yes.
Wow. That's amazing.
The square in the middle.
Wow. Props. Very nice.
I have no idea.
We've got ourselves a genius.
Oh, I just missed that. Go.
Ready?
Aww.
Wow. On the count of 3, guys. We have an anniversary. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Hey.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Please, can I turn it around just to make sure I'm gonna see you all? Thank you.
Hello. Thank you.
It's an eternal candle.
There we go.
Oh.
There we go. You don't forget to blow the candle, yeah? All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was so nice. It's so funny because I look intoxicated. Or that I was drinking for a long time. I mean, I guess I did have a lot of drinks today.
I guess I did.
But it's because of my sunburn. And it hurts. And I'm gonna burn up here. We bought hats today. We can wear our Aruba hats tomorrow in Bon Air. There are lots of fun evening activities going on tonight.
Like what?
I heard there's a comedian. We missed the juggler last night. But you know what, guys? I just want to go to bed. He's still going.
You know what? We're gonna end the vlog. We love you guys. If you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. Yes. We'll see you in paradise tomorrow.
Yes. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's a new thing we're doing. Committed to it. That's a blooper.
Yeah, I hope so.
That's gonna be a blooper.
That's gonna be a blooper because I thought.
It's gonna be a blooper.
Got it.
Cut!
Cut!
Okay, right.